you have sent. Regarding what, sir?
Namasarvebhya. So I've just started the recording. Please do stand by. So let's start with a prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwarah, Guruhu Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Om Tat Sat. Astu. Idanim प्रश्नः अस्ति महोदयस्य. श्रीमान् रङ्गाचार्यवर्याः प्रश्नः किं महोदय?
You have sent one PDF. You just now said. I am not able to access that.
चिन्ता मास्तु, अहं पुनः प्रेषयामि. चिन्ता मास्तु, पुनः प्रेषयामि. यत् प्रेषितं तत् पुनः प्रेषित्वा यत् नूतनं सूचितं मया शब्दरूपाणां विषये तदपि प्रेषयामि. द्वाभ्यामपि स्वीकारं करोतु. डौन्लोड् कृत्वा कुत्रापि कंप्यूटर् मध्ये वा कुत्रापि अन्यत्र स्थापयतु. अस्तु वा?
धन्यवादः.
So we were learning yesterday the Shatranta forms, and for so-called irregular verbs. That means verbs that give little more difficulty for us than standard verbs. And these, like Samskrita Bharati pointed out, belong to the third Gana, some of them. Okay, so just to very quickly recall, Krudatu Kurvan Kurvantaha. So Ramaha Karyam kurvan agre gachati. While doing his work, he moves forward like that. Okay. Pandavaha yuddham kurvantaha agre saranti. So the Pandavas, as they fight, they move forward. Okay. Kurvantaha like that. Shrunvan. Aham shrunvan bodham prapayami. Listening and listening, I obtain the knowledge or the teaching, like that. Shrunvantaha bhavantaha sarve chatraha shrunvantaha asmin kakshyayam santi. You are all there listening like this. Okay. Kreenan, purchasing. Aham kandukam kreenan margam pashyami. Some similar example was there. Balaha kandukam kreenan margam pashyati, something like that. Okay. Kreenantaha. Many of us. So Rudan Rudantaha, Shaknuvan Shaknuvantaha, Janan Janantaha, Prapnuvan Prapnuvantaha, Grinhan Grinhantaha, Dadat Dadataha, no nakara. Okay, Dadat Dadataha, Bhibhyat Bhibhyataha, Smaran Smarantaha. So this we learnt, and we did certain exercises yesterday. We have a few more, so we will attempt a few to warm up and then step into the next portions of the lessons. Okay. So avarane dattanam
one short question. 19 Kauravaha janantaha api adharmam acharitavantaha. This acharitavantaha is the plural of the tavat pratyaya, isn't it?
Correct. Acharitavan acharitavantaha. Kauravaha acharitavan. Kauravaha acharitavantaha. Correct.
But it sounds like the plural of Shatru Pratyaya also.
Perhaps sometimes some things will overlap. Okay. Now what you have to see in the sentence is, you have to see whether there is a case for a Shatranta there. Okay. So Jananta has a case for Shatranta. Okay. So you have to go with that.
Okay. So you mean to say?
But if you see, Acharan Acharantaha will come for Shatranta, not Vantaha will come. Okay. Acharan Acharantaha, similar to Janantaha. Janitavantaha will come for Krudanta form, for the Tavatu Krudanta form. And Acharitavantaha is Acharitavan, Acharitavantau, Acharitavantaha.
I see. There are slight differences there. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What you do, you please write down. You please refer to various sources and write down for one of the verbs the various Krudanta forms in just more than Pratama Vibhakti. Then it will become little more easy. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So we did this abhyasa. So we will move to this one. Okay. So आवर्णे दत्तानां क्रियापदानां साहाय्येन see the spelling, उचितैः शत्रन्तरूपैः रिक्तस्थलानि पूरयत, fill in the blanks in short. Okay, but what they have given a kriyapada form, they have usually given the lat lakara bahuvachana form, and using that form, using appropriate shatranta rupa, fill the blank. That's what they have asked there. Nartakaha, masculine. Notice this. Nartakyaha is the strilinga. Nartakaha. But anyway, I'm just pointing out that masculinity has nothing to do, but it has something to do. That masculinity influences the masculinity of the Shatranta. But luckily we know we are not being taught yet the feminine gender. So here we are safe to use masculine gender. But in the end, in the exam, there is nothing like, oh, I know this is masculine because this is related to lesson 1. It can be from any lesson. So you have to notice all those things. Nartakaha, masculine, plural. So shrunvantaha, masculine, plural, tracking. Okay. So shrunvantaha. That shrunvantaha comes from shrunvanti of lat, bahuvachana. So we go to ekavachana shatranta shrunvan and then go to shrunvantaha as the plural. Okay. Nartitavantaha. So nartitavan, nartitavantau, nartitavantaha. Just similar to the question Mahoday asked now. This is ktavatu bahuvachana. So this line has, in fact, even nartaka is derived from a kridanta. Not that we go so far back. Yaha nartayati saha nartakaha. Okay, there is some operation and like that we go. Okay, so because it's a generic kridanta derived title, it is not a particular dancer's name. Okay, so yeah, all right. Like, you know, any namapada which is not a nipata is a kridanta, remember. Okay, any namapada which is not a standard nipata, standard drop-in, is a kridanta. What its kridanta origin is not easy for pamaras like me to answer, but they are. Geetam would be constructed in a similar way. Okay, so it is silly for me to say only Shrunvantaha here is the, it is the Shatranta here. Okay, many other Kridantas are present. But Shrunvanti is clearly not a Kridanta. It is a lang, sorry, it is a Ting Pratyayanta, Lat Tring Pratyayanta, Bahuvachana. Okay. Usually it is easier to identify the Lat forms after a while. Kridantas, what Kridanta it is, takes a little more time. Okay. Anyway, Nartakaha Geetam Shrunvantaha Nartitavantaha is the answer, coming from Shrunvan to Shrunvantaha. So now you guys try a few. Chatraha, and the prototype is Rudanti. Patam Likitavantaha. Rudantaha. Very good. Rudantaha. Bhaktaha Japam Kurvanti Anandam Kurvantaha Anandam Anubhavanti. Let me just read out the sentence and then jump in. Just a little patience. Okay, so Bhaktaha Japam Kurvantaha Anandam Anubhavanti. So the next one is Dadati, is the prototype. See, remember, Sanskrit Bharati has given everything in Bahuvachana. Shrunvanti, Rudanti. So this is not Ekavachana form. Dadati is the Bahuvachana form. Remember that. So Archakaha Tirtham dash Upavishtavantaha Santi.
Dadataha.
Dadataha. No nakara. Dadataha. Dadataha. Okay. Dadataha. Shikshakaha. Sorry. Next one is Krinanti form. So Shikshakaha Pustakani dash Shalam Agatavantaha.
Krinanta.
So it is a little weird sentence. It is like as if they are, the shop is moving with them, and I don't fully accept the what you call appropriateness of this sentence. See, if Balaka is standing at the shop and buying a kanduka, he can be looking at the marga at the same time. There is no argument about Shatranta usage there. But here, Pustakani Krinantaha Shalam Agatavantaha is not the proper sentence. We will give them some margin. There is nothing syntactically wrong. At a bhavartha level, it is not justified. So Kritva, Kritva would have, Twanta would have been better.
Sir, this is okay in Hindi. In Hindi, it is okay. ये
निकाल ले।
हाँ ये कहाँ
ये
से
तो नहीं
निकाले?
चार्ज होंगे।
नहीं चाहिए।
ये मैंने ठाकुर जी की लाइट में से निकाला।
Sunil Mahodaya, you have to mute. I think some noise is coming through. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I don't know whether it's from you. Some speech was coming through. Let me just check. Okay, sorry about. I think you were trying to ask this thing. So in Hindi, yeah. See, even in Kannada, sometimes we use the Shatranta type, kondu koluta, shalage bandaru, like that, but that's not spiritually right. It's kind of accepted as a crude intention of kondu shalage bandaru, like kritva. So here, kritva shalam agatavantaha would have been correct, but krinantaha can be used in the, because they have asked the example, we will take it. Okay. How can you be buying and then coming to the school? Okay, it's a little.
Kreenartham it should be. Kritva is after buying, right?
No, they don't come to the school to buy. They buy the book and then come to the school. So Twanta is appropriate.
Okay.
See, it's after all teachers. Students sometimes may come to the school to buy books nowadays because everything is commercial and you're supposed to buy it in the school. Maybe you're brought up in that tradition. So I can
sir, if we translate that through Hindi, if we do that, so if I can say that शिक्षकः पुस्तकानि क्रीडन्तः, शिक्षक पुस्तक खरीदते हुए शाला में आए.
लेकिन वो उसका अर्थ है खरीद के शाला आए, लेकिन ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, इसीलिए मैं बोला क्यों खरीद के ने बताया आप हिंदी में, थोड़ा इधर उधर कर देते हैं हम, कन्नड़ में भी ऐसे बात करते हैं.
राइट.
अस्तु, विद्यार्थिनः शिक्षकेभ्यः बिभ्यति इज द प्रोटोटाइप. गृहपाठं समापितवन्तः.
सर आपकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है सर.
अरे आप भी मेरे जैसा साउथ वाले हैं. मैं भी साउथ हूँ. हम दोनों एक को एक श्लाघन करेंगे, ठीक है.
नहीं सर, मैं साउथ का नहीं हूँ.
ओ ऐसा
तो इसीलिए आपकी हिंदी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी.
क्षमा कीजिए.
Mahodaya, I like that Hindi Anuvad also. You bring in all the languages. You don't stick to one particular language when explaining.
We have, the best thing about our country is the diversity, and the best way we can be great servants of this country is to adapt the diversity. And I have made sure that, well, the regret is when I was in Kharagpur, I didn't learn Bengali because actually the campus didn't have much Bengali going around. But I wish I did learn that. That is my regret. Anyway, so, but for example, in Italy, I learned Italian, like that. I embrace the languages. Yes. Vidyarthinah shikshakebhyah bibyati grihapaatam samapitavantah. How is the form?
Bibyatah.
Similar to tadati, tadatah. Bibyati, bibyatah. So just because bibyati is the, I have just shown this table here, pulling in from our great ashtadhyayi.com website. See, bibheti, bibhitaha, bibhitaha, two forms in dvivachana, bibyati. So bibheti, bibyati, ekavachana, bahuvachana. Okay, and this bibheti also appears in another examples later. That's why I'm pointing out this table. So going to ashtadhyayi.com, going to the dhatu section there and looking at these prayogas is a periodic good exercise. Okay. At our age, sometimes we cannot remember.
Vidyarthina shiksakebhyo. I think it is Panchavina shiksakebhyo.
Which one, sir? Which one?
Vidyarthina shiksakebhyo. This shiksakebhyo, I think it is Panchami.
From the shikshakas. Yes.
Yeah, Panchami.
Yeah. It is implied the bhiti dhatu, bhaya and that's dhatus, bring that into upapada vibhakti. Okay. Correct. Vidyarthinah shikshakebhyah bibyatah grihapatam samapitavantah. Answer is easy enough, but like Mahodaya said, there are some interesting grammar points in each sentence. Okay. Fearing from the shikshakas, the students finished the homework. It is so sad, sentences like this. But anyway, abhimaninah pakshasya dvajam aparneshu bhadnanti agre gatavantah.
Badnantah.
This one can be a correct Shatranta because they are going from pole to pole, tying the dvaja and then moving forward. So this is perfect usage of Shatranta. Badnantaha agre gatavantaha. Sometimes we use in Kannada, for example, badva agre gatavantaha. We duplicate twantas to indicate a Shatranta in Kannada. For example, kattutta like that. Katti also we use. So same way, badva also sometimes is used in duplicate to mean badnantaha. Anyway, it's all.
Mahodaya, one thing I would like to say here, Vidyarthinah Shikshakebhyah Bibhyatah Grahapatam Samapitavantah. That is, it is normal, I feel. பயந்துகொண்டே
எதுக்கு மேடம் பயந்து எதுக்கு பண்ணணும்? ஆசையா பண்ணட்டும் என்ன ஆசை அவ்வளவுதான். பயந்து எதுக்கு பண்ணணும் பாவஸ் வித்யார்த்தி? Why should the student be afraid? That's all my point was.
Previously it was like that. We used to get afraid from our teacher because they used to beat us like anything.
Sorry sir. Sorry.
Mahoday.
Kindly Abhimanino Paksasya Dhajam Apunesu Bhaknanta Agre Katavanta. इसका अगर ट्रांसलेशन आप बता दें तो.
Yeah, it is very appropriate Shatranta usage, correct. So avarane dattanam kriyapadanam Shatranta pullingaika vachanantanena rupena rikta sthanani purayata. Okay.
Mahoday, just 1 minute, sorry. Vidyarthinah and abhimaninah, they are in which vibhakti?
Vidyarthin shabda. Okay. So nakaranta halanta nakaranta shabda. Vidyarthin iti. Vidyarthinau vidyarthinah, like that it will come.
So both are
yeah. Vidyarthin is the pratipadika. Vidyartihi may be the pratama. Vidyartihi vidyarthinau vidyarthinah. Similar to raja, rajanau, rajanah, but subtly different. Because in Raja and then an comes, here in is there, so there is a subtle variation. Okay, Vidyartihi, Vidyarthinau, Vidyarthi may be the pratama. I have to check it, and then Vidyarthinau, Vidyarthinah definitely is the Vivachana and Bahuvachana.
Similar to Gunin.
Gunin, correct. Gunin Shabda is the prototype. Yeah.
सर इसको मीनिंग थोड़ा बता दीजिए ना. अभिमानिनो Dhajam Apunesu.
What's the meaning of the sixth one?
The Abhimaninah, the patrons, the party affiliates, Pakshasya of the party, Dvajam, the flag as a karmapada, Apaneshu, in the many shops, Badnantaha, tying as. Please stand by. Let me complete my sentence. Okay.
అక్కడ రికార్డింగ్ చేసేస్తున్నానులేండి.
Okay, I muted the noise. Sorry. Maybe she didn't realize. So Abhimaninah Pakshasya Dvajam Apaneshu Badnantaha, why as tying, I mean in the current continuous action of tying, as they were tying, Agre in ahead, Gatavantaha, they went like that. Okay, so that's how it is. Gatavan, Gatavantau, Gatavantaha. Avarane dattanam kriyapadanam Shatranta pulligaikancha rupena riktasthanani puryata. So fill it with ekavachana. Is the every subject is ekavachana. Saha, Shankaraha, Sarveshaha. Okay, Panguhu. Okay, Nartakaha. Dushtat. Pangu means a fellow with walking difficulty. Yeah, lame person. Nartakaha, Karmakaraha. Everything is ekavachana. So we have to use ekavachana forms. And this time they have given a whole list of kriyapadas. They didn't associate with any sentence. So we have two jobs. We have to use the correct kriyapada, because by using our viveka, we have to use our viveka and apply the correct kriyapada, and it should be in Shatranta. Though it is in lat here, lat ekavachana, prathama ekavachana, we have to do Shatranta prathama ekavachana. Okay. Sugrivaha, for example, they picked up Roditi out of the equation and put Rudan Ramasya Sahayam Prishtavan. Okay, because he was stripped of his kingdom and his wife also and all that. So Sugrivaha Rudan Ramasya Sahayam Prishtavan. Okay, so crying Sugriva asked Rama's help. Saha karyam kartum dash api tushneem sthitavan. Now, please don't crowdsource the answer. I will ask one a few of you. Vishalakshi Varye, try this. You have to unmute Vishalakshi Varye. Maybe she is not ready. Aruna Varye, Aruna. Okay, Rajashri, unmute yourself and try.
सः कार्यं कर्तुं शक्नुवन् अपि तूष्णीं स्थितवान्.
Shaknuvan api, very good. He, despite being capable
of doing it, he stood silent.
Stood silent. Very good. Well done, Bhagini. Thank you. So next, Geeta Bhagini. Next one. Shankaraha Pradeshika Bhasham dash api Swamatru Bhashaya eva uttaritavan.
Janan api.
Janan api. Despite knowing the local language, he used his Matrubhasha to answer. Not to be completely appreciated, this kind of attitude in certain instances. People are more focused on pride than being practical. Anyway, that is the trouble of India today. Okay. Thank you, Geeta Bhagini. Aruna Bhagini, next one for you.
अहं न ओके सर्वेषः नूतनान् अनुभवान् गृह्णन् कार्यश्रेण्याम् अग्रे गतवान्.
Grinhan. So Grinhan in the sense of learning comes here. Okay, beautiful. So it's not so obvious. So Sarveshah Nutanan Anubhavan Grinhan. You can actually use Janan, Prapnuvan also. Nothing wrong is using Grinhan. I sometimes don't see the Kutsita of such things because these verbs have a huge capacity to be interpreted under circumstances. Okay. So because when learning some new Anubhava, you are also grabbing them. So Grinhan is fine. But later what you have to do, you have to check whether those dhatus are better for the remaining answers. So because I'm asking one by one, you guys are trying your best. Nothing wrong in what you're doing. Okay. But you have to see Grinhan would apply to Danda better because he holds. So then you come back and see which one.
What about
Prapnuvan? So Sarveshah Nutanan Anubhavan Prapnuvan Karyashrenyam Agre Gatavan. Nothing wrong in what Aruna Varye tried, but yeah. So Aruna Rao, next one. Aruna Rao, you are unmuted already. Aruna Rao. Okay, she is unmuted. Please tell, madam.
Shall I say?
Please.
Dandan Grihnan Margam Chalati. Marge Chalati.
Don't struggle to say Grihnan. Say Grinhan.
Grinhan. I'm practicing it because I'm used to Grihnan. Since yesterday you mentioned that, I've been saying that Grinhan.
Good. No problem if you pronounce the other way, not a big because both paddhatis are present. Both are present.
Grinhan. Yeah, now I'm
Marge Chalati. Well done. So next, anybody else? You can mute yourself, madam. Vishalakshi Varye, are you ready now? Please, next one for you.
Nartakaha Padayoho Kinginim Badnantaha Shigraha Davitavan.
See, there is Ekavachana. Okay, Nartakaha would come to Badnantaha. Nartakaha?
Badnan.
Badnan, that's all. Okay, very good. Yes. Badnati, Badnan. Okay. Badnati, Badnan. See, Badnati, Badnataha, Badnanti. So, Badnanti, Badnan. They have given Ekavachana. So, you don't take the Dirgha, run it to the Bahuvachana. Badnati, badnatah, badnanti. Badnan is the ekavachana form in Shatru. Badnan will come here. Okay? Badnan. Well done, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Arun, yeah, that was Aruna
Everywhere
Rao.
there is this error, no? They have put go instead of dha, na? In because it is Bhagnati they have written in the example.
There are a lot of spelling mistake. That is, see, maybe it is I put it down to the incorrectness of the print type. It should have been Badnan, not Bhagnati. Yeah.
Similarly, in the previous sixth sentence also Badha, it has to be there. They have again the same.
Dvaja is correct. For example, here Dvaja is correct. Here also Ga is been put. See, the whorl is very clear here, Ga. So there is a composition error there. I can say Vagartha made a mistake there. Sanskrit Bharati wouldn't do that. But anyway, leave it. Dushtat karmakarah karye dosham kritavan. Only one is left.
Sorry, what is the meaning of that sixth sentence? Abhimaninaha pakshasya dvajam apareshu.
See, the party fellows, as they were putting the flags in the various shops, posters, take it as posters, in the various shops, they moved forward. Okay.
Abhimanina meaning?
If anybody who is a patron of some cause.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Abhimana is a pride in something, following something. Yeah. So Abhimani is a fellow who is a follower
Who
type
has
of
some pride. Yeah.
Some kind of a bhakta. Yeah. Okay.
Who is the holder of the pride?
Okay.
Holder
Thank
of the
you.
pride. Dushtat. So what is the left verb here? Last verb is left here. Bibyat. Some crowdsourced answer. Very good. Dushtat bibyat karmakarah karye dosham kritavan. So karmakara is the karta. So bibyat is tracking karmakarah. And we saw that is the Panchami usage, similar to how we saw in Shikshakebhyaha for Bhiti Dhatu. Okay, so good. I think we have warmed up very well. So next, very quickly, not too much value addition I can do to Pada Sangraha to you guys. You guys have to put this effort. But what I will do, let me invite anybody who wants to put their hand up to help me out. Geetha, THA Geetha.
Dhanyawad.
I caught your hand. You lowered it, but I caught your hand. Okay. So I don't know why you lowered it, but anyway. So start with the first one. What I want you to try, Geetha or is say this and say one small sentence and give a very basic meaning. Let's see how you do.
Okay. Gana, to count. Gana yati. Latlakara. Shikshakah Chatran Ganayati.
Fantastic. Next one.
Ganyate. Karmani Prayoga. Shikshakena Chatraha Ganyate.
Chatraha Ganyante will come. Because Karmapada Chatra has moved to Bahuvachana, Ganyante goes to Bahuvachana. But you can say that answer. So, Shikshakena Chatraha Ganyante. Well done. Next one.
Ganayishyati. Sarkaraha. Sarvakaraha. Janasankhyaam ganayishyati.
Ganayishyanti. Sarvakaraha ganayishyati. Correct. Ekavachana. Sarvakaraha janasankhyaam ganayishyati. So when in another 4 years, we don't know. Yeah, ganayishyati. Well done. Next one.
Ganayitavyam. Idanim Corona infected. Corona
rogagrasthaha.
Corona rogagrasthaha roginam गणयितव्यम्।
इदानीं भारतदेशे कति करोनारोगग्रस्ताः सन्ति इति गणयितव्यं, गणनीयं. वेल् डन्. Gananiyam is the near form of the same thing. They are both paryayas. Next one.
गणितः क्त प्रत्यय पुल्लिंग रूप. आलोकः वृक्षः गणितः. आलोकेन वृक्षः गणितः.
आलोकेन वृक्षः गणितः. Correct. Because vriksha is the receiver of that ganita epithet. It is counted by Alok. So alokena vriksha ganitah. Beautiful. The tree was counted by Alok. He was counting all the trees. This tree also was counted by him. That's why it's in singular. Okay. Very good.
Ganita strilinga rupa pratyaya. Ramaya.
See, Rama doesn't matter. Rama is the karta. But anyway, you have said strilinga, nothing wrong. That is good.
Ramaya grantaha ganita.
Grantaha is pullinga. Pick some singular strilinga.
Nadi ganita.
Nadi ganita.
Nadi ganita. Very good. Ramaya Nadi ganita. Modi is pullinga, Mahodaya. Okay. Ganitam.
Ganitam. Alokena. Pustakam ganitam.
Alokena pustakam ganitam. Kaha eshaha alokaha? Astu nama. Ma uttarayatu.
Kaschana alokaha.
Kaschana alokaha. Oh, chana prayoga. Chana prayoga.
Ganitavan Anujaha Chatran ganitavan.
Anujaha Chatran ganitavan. Very good. Idanim अष्टचत्वारिंशत् छात्राः सन्ति.
धन्यवादः महोदय. गीता मधुरखाद्यानि गणितवती.
गीता मधुरखाद्यानि गणितवती. ओ अस्तु अस्तु अस्तु. किम् अद्य मधुरखाद्यं किं गृहे?
किञ्चित् अपि नास्ति महोदय.
नास्ति वा? अस्तु अस्तु, चिन्ता मास्तु. अग्रे. बहु सम्यक्.
गणयन् अहं पुस्तकं गणयन् गीतं गीतवती.
But problem now is you went to Ganayan Pullinga and then to properly to Geetavati because
yeah.
See, so you have to use Ganayanti.
Ganayanti.
Aham, when you say aham, you have to say Ganayanti.
Ganayanti.
Or Aganaya. Aganaya.
Ganayamana, that is Shanach, right, Mahodaya?
That is Tvanta Kanaya. Sorry, Aganaya, Viganaya. Correct. I confused this A with something else. It is Okay. Ganayan, Ganayanti. So, Aham, you will say Aham Kimapi Ganayanti, something you would say. Okay, fine. Good. Very good.
Ganaya, Ganayamanaha, Shanat Pratyaya.
See, this guy is ahead for us. Now we haven't learnt the Shanach corollary of Shatranta because Gana Dhatu, okay, Ganana or Gana Dhatu, whatever, that one is a Atmanepadi Dhatu. But no, Ganayamanaha. Why? It is
Ubhayapadi.
Must be Upayapadi. Because then why they didn't go give Shatranta example? That is Ganayan. Is now I understood. Okay. So for 7, the Shatranta forms, because it is Ubhayapadi, if you take Ganayati, it is Ganayan. If you take Ganyate, Ganayate, it is Ganyate is the Karmani Prayoga. Ganayate, if you take, then Ganayamanaha is the Shanajanta. Okay. Well done. We will skip the example sentence for that. Let's move forward.
Okay. Ganayitva aham rotikam ganayitva annam karomi.
रोटिकां गणयित्वा रोटिकानि अधिकानि सन्ति चेत् किञ्चिदेव अन्नं करोमि. पचामि. I'll cook less.
पचामि.
विगणय्य.
Viganaya, I don't know, Mahodaya.
Having same thing, V is like Vishishtataya Ganaya, especially counting, something like that. Okay. So if you are counting your diamonds, you will do Viganaya.
Diamond is Vajram.
Vajrani.
Aham Vajram Viganaya Moditavati.
Oh, you counted your diamonds. That is a strangest sentence I've heard. Okay. Ganayitum.
Ganayitum Ramaha Shatrunam Ganayitum Hanumantam Preshitavan.
Shatrunam samyak shatravah shatrum
Puruna.
No, dvivachana. See, you have to say dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachana. Okay. Gurum guru gurun shatrun. Okay. Ramah shatrun ganayitum hanumantam preshitavan. Hanumatam, something like that. Estu, chinta nasti. Bahu samyak kritavati adbhutam. So what Bhagini did, okay, all of you have to try that exercise. It's okay. Listen to yourself. Even if there are mistakes in your sentence, at least you're trying. Over time, you will know I am not confident I have said the right thing, because when I hear back, it doesn't sound like Sanskritam. That's what I used to notice. I don't know what is the correct answer, but if I say, I can tell there is a mistake. Just like many of us, when somebody sings, we say, oh, apaswara. But we ask, what is the swara? I don't know. Like that. Okay. All right. So you guys practice. So there is char to graze, charati, chi to collect, chinoti, chinoti, then chiti, chintane. Oh my God, that dhatu is so close to the problem. See, if you do too much chinta, you will become chiti. Something like that you can say. Okay, anyway, chidir to break up. Huh?
Noom.
Mahodaya, I didn't understand. Numagama, correct. Numagama is there in that. Oh yes, Mahodaya. He's stating a grammatical point about why chiti becomes chint. So there is a numagama in the dhatu and then the application. That's what he's pointing out. And there are some places where numagama goes away. Vichitya, for example, vichintya only is there. So I almost in these examples nowhere that is absent. So it's a hard numagama. Everywhere it is there. Okay. That's why what Samskrita Bharati did, they gave the dhatu with the numagama indicated. All right. Maybe in some other lakaras that numagama may not happen. Who knows? So chidir to break up. So chinati, somebody breaks something like that. Okay. But we know more this in the form of chidra like that. Chidra. That is the one familiar to us in our mother tongues. Chidra, chidra. In Kannada we use chidra, chidra a lot as a duplicate when we break something into pieces. So you guys practice all this. So let's move forward. Prahelika time. We still have time. Yes, Mahodaya.
Just one question, Mahodaya. The previous one. See, the dhatu for Ching, what they have written to collect is chi actually, but in the book it is written as ching or something.
Ching.
But that actually is not coming up as dhatu in Ashtadhyayi. If you, that seems to be the sutra's first word.
Sometimes, you know, most places Sanskrit Bharati has tried to not put the itakshara, gana, char. So this will have, for example, char and some other thing, or some dichar, something, some itakshara will be there in the technical name of the dhatu. But here maybe they gave it with the itakshara. I need to also check the ashtadhyayi.com to see whether actually this is a tail that is properly, it is not a it. I have also not aware. Okay.
No problem. And also similarly, if you see the chiti, the actual dhatu is chint, which they have put in the bracket. So that seems okay. And you look at the last one, chidir, the actual dhatu is chid.
Okay. We will go later. I will investigate in Ashtadhyayi. I don't want to waste online time.
Sure.
I will confirm the rupa forms of this, and as an exercise, we will. One of you could also put the what you see in ashtadhyayi.com for the dhatus. Okay, but don't worry too much. Worry about these forms. Yeah.
Sir, for the chitta dhatu, टङ्क दोष अस्ति. चिन्तितः चिन्तता चिन्तिता चिन्तितः चिन्तिता चिन्तितम्.
Chintita. There is a tankana dosha there. Chintata no. Chintita. Chintitaha, chintita, chintitam. Correct. There is a ikara missing. Tankana dosha. Well observed.
Mahodaya, there is a subhashitam for chitta and chinta. It says nirjivam dahati chitta, sajivam dahati chinta.
That should be in the sukti. Beautiful. Nirjivam dahati chitta, sajivam janati chinta. Yadi chinta bahurasti tarhi chita bhavati eva. You can say the second pada. Okay.
So what she said is the second part of the Subhashitam. The first part is Chinta Chitta Yoho Madhye Bindu Matram, difference. And then the line which she said.
It is there in Pravesha?
No, I had done, no.
IIT Roorkee it had.
IIT Roorkee. That was a Subhashita based lesson. So very nice it was.
Bindu Matram.
IIT Roorkee in collaboration with Sanskrit Bharati did a series of classes. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Okay. So let us go to the Prahelika. Thanks for that, Bhagini. Beautiful. Prahelika. Rajan. Hey Rajan. Kamala Patraksha. That is also hey. Hey Kamala Patraksha. Tatte bhavatu chakshayam. Asadayati yadrupam, that is ru, okay, yadrupam karenuhu karanaihi vina. So what does it mean? Hey Rajan, oh the king. Hey Kamalapatraksha, oh the one with the eyes that look like the petals of a lotus. Papa. Hey the one whose eyes look like the petals of a lotus. So he's putting on a lot of butter to the king. Tatte bhavatu chakshayam. May that happen to you, which is never spending itself, never ending. Chakshayam means never ending. Cha akshayam. Akshayam means one that doesn't spend itself. That means never ending. So may something be permanent in you. That's what he's suggesting. Okay, let us see what is that. Asadayati. Obtains. Okay, asadayati obtains. Yadrupam, whatever form. Karenuhu, the word karenuhu. Karanaihi vina, without ears. Now, if you take Hiral Varye, is there a question? Okay, sorry.
No, sorry.
No problem. So karanaihi vina, without ears. So Karenuhu actually is a title for Kari, as you know, is used for Gaja. No? So Karenuhu is a Gaja's name. Okay, this guy is a Karenu. though is African Karenu. Okay, so Karanaihi vina, without the ears. So it obtains whatever that te bhavatu, whatever that akshayam te bhavatu, that asada that obtains the form of an elephant without ears. Now, if the king was not buttered up, he will get angry. you will get that which is unspendable, which is like a earless elephant. If you take the Vachyartha, it is totally meaningless mumbo jumbo. Mumbo jumbo. Okay, jumbo also comes in there. Okay, so but the Kavi is actually putting a quiz here. Okay, so you have to solve the quiz. So, but one thing is for sure, it is with this vina, without. So it's like the cryptic puzzle, no? Karenu without karana, like that. Okay, so both of them have karana. Is there a trick there? Is the question. Points to something there. So, of course, we not that kind of Sanskrit Pandita you can answer, but we can try if some of you are bold. Okay, I think.
Mahodaya, they are giving, why they are stressing Karenu is a she elephant. Astini iti.
I mean, Karihi Karenuhu maybe. Okay, Karihi may be pulling a form because the Kavi wanted a Nakara there. He used Karenu.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem. So, but anyway, he is not telling you are the elephant. He's telling, may you have plenty of the form of she elephant without ears. Okay, Karana can mean ear or can mean any sense organ. Here they have taken all sense organs because Karana simply means instrument, and for a living thing, the instruments are the Indriyas. So it can you can also take it as the ears, but ear is just one of the Karanas. Okay. This is the superficial meaning. I mean, Vachyartha we say. Okay. So actually the trick is in this. Let me open it. Anyway, the title I have given here is Karenuhu Karanaihi Saha. Okay. This is not without the ears and the sense organs. So I have put the Saha instead of Vina. Anyway, let me open this up. From the word Karenu, so K A R A N U. As you know, in Sanskrit, everything is Vyanjana Swara complex, right? So K A Samyukta Akshara. So K A R A and U. It's not actually Samyukta. It's just Samyukta Akshara is when there is more than one Vyanjana. Anyway, don't worry. If the consonants K, R, N are removed, we get A, U, and through some Sandhi process, even if you mouth it, Ayuhu emerges. Okay, so the verse means may you live long, O king, like that. Okay, so Ayuhu, what is that? Tatte bhavatu chakshayam. Ayuhu te bhavatu chakshayam. May your life longevity be without any end, like that. The Kavi is blessing the king using his tricky second statement. Okay. All right.
A and A as I become Yantavanta Adesha Sandhi.
A plus A is not Yantavanta. What Sandhi others can step in?
A plus A is
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. It is simply in the first row of the table towards the latter half of the table in columns. So this is Vriddhi. If you remember my table, some of those students who are from my Parichaya classes, and also here early on I had shared that, I think, for Swara. If I have not, I will send that PDF also in the group. Okay, so it's all the Swara Sandhis. I have a picture taught by my Guruvarya. I share it with my students also because it's so beautiful. So I will send that to all of you.
Mahodaya, this also conveys the Vedantic message that one who doesn't fall for his senses will live longer.
What a lovely observation, Mahodaya. Very deep, very deep, very deep. Beautiful. I never saw that.
Quoted from my Viveka Chodamani readings. I somehow felt it can be related to that, but most likely.
Yes. So, if we fall to our senses, we will have short life. If we can, I mean, short life in the sense not a fruitful life. I take Ayu more as fruitful Ayu rather than Akshaya. Okay, so that's good, beautiful. So without falling for the Indriyas, if you remove the Indriyas or basically dependence on the Indriyas, you will have a Akshaya Ayu. Yeah, beautiful.
Mahoday, one more meaning comes out that out of the swara and vyanjana, actually swara is more meaningful, that is equated to life, and vyanjana is just like sense organs kind of. If you have only
swara is the prana. Swara is the prana in
prana.
Yes.
So the life or prana. Yeah.
Very correct. Lovely. See, beautiful guys. See, one Vachyartha, there is an answer, but there are so many Vyangyarthas. We can inferred meanings which we can take. Beautiful.
Sir, one question, quick question. See, in the Parichaya course, you shared that table for Swara Sandhis. Will there be similar table for Vyanjan Sandhis also, sir?
I already shared. It is not table. It is a whole PDF of pages.
Yeah, means if it is, can it be in a tabular form? That will be much easier.
Unfortunately, the Vyanjana Sandhis are two-dimensional, somewhat. Okay, in fact, it becomes three-dimensional if you have to stack it into one picture. So the only way to break it as many two-dimensional charts for each of the Sandhis. Okay,
sir.
I will think whether there can be some pictorial that is more integrated.
Very easy to remember.
What happens is they apply in sequence. So it's very difficult. There is a kind of first you will have Jastva, then you will have Shtutva, then you will have Chatva. Like this it moves. Okay.
It is summarized in page 191 of the textbook, all the sandhis.
So there you go. So 191. Let me open to see what pictorial is there. Very nice. Yeah, it's been done pretty well. Yeah, I think this is fairly good. Purva pada stavarnaha swara sandayah vyanjana sandayah visarga sandhihi. Yes, well done. So I think 191, 192 is very useful. Yeah, you can print and keep as a page for reference. It has Swarasandhi picture also. Beautiful. Okay. Though it is not picture, but it is somewhat pictorial. So let's take a break, I think. 11:55. So 12 o'clock we will gather back and attack the Subhashitam. Okay, and keep continuing. Okay, 5 minutes break you get, water break. Please take the break and come back. Thank you. Okay, I apologize. I got delayed. Welcome back, everyone. So we start with this nice Subhashitams today. Why number 3 and 4? Oh, okay. 1 and 2 are given sub for the Subhashitam sequence from the first lesson. Okay. So Subhashitam, Sushtu Bhashitam, Subhashitam, Samyak Uktam, Sukti only in the end. Danam Bogho Nashastisro Gatayo Bhavanti Vittasya Yo na dadati na punkte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. Danam bogah nashah tisrah. Nashas tisrah visarga sandhi. Nashah tisrah another visarga sandhi utva. Nashah tisrah gatayah visarga sandhi. So far only visarga sandhi. Bogah nashah tisrah gatayah. Blub 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 blub. Okay. Bhavanti kriyapada. Vittasya shashti. Yo aryaha. Na dadati. Na bhunkte. Okay. Dadati kriyapada. Bhunkte kriyapada. Tasya shashti. Tritiya gatihi bhavati. Prathama vibhakti. Tritiya. Okay. Strilinga. Gatihi bhavati. Why it is in Strilinga? Gatihi is in Strilinga. So the Visheshana Sankhya Vachaka is in Strilinga. Tritiya gatihi bhavati. How many Kriya Padas? With bhavanti, dadati, bhunkte, bhavati. Okay. So we have to work carefully with this. Okay. With commas or semicolons, whatever. Okay. So all right. So, Dhanam is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. It is also Pratamanta here. Dhanam, Bogah, Nashah. 3 things in Pratama Vibhakti as the subjects of whatever is, Gatayah Bhavanti, of the subjects of Bhavanti. Okay. So let us see the meaning straightforward in a Danda as usual. Okay, then later do the maybe Prashnartaka types also in our mind. So Dhanam Bogah Nashah in bracket iti Tisraha Gatayah Vittasya Bhavanti, or you can put Vittasya all the way in the beginning also. Vittasya of the money. Vitta is money. Vitta Kosha means bank. Okay. Vittaha Vittam Kshamitam. Vittam is the not Vittaha, I think. Vittam. If I remember, it's an Apumsaka. We will cross check later. So Vittasya of the money. Dhanam Bogah Nashah cha iti. Cha iti can be inferred by us, and so Tisraha Gatayah Bhavanti. 3 fates of money. Okay. Yah na dadati. A fellow who doesn't give. Dadati. Prathama vibhakti. Prathama ekavachana. Okay. Lati. Dadati. Dadatah. Dadati. So we just used it for Shutranta also. Dadata. Okay. All right. Yo na dadati. Na bhunkte. Na cha bhunkte. Tasya vittasya. Tasya vittasya. Athava tasya. Janasya. Yaha tasya. So not just the vitta. Tasya only. Very important to infer that in a Vedantic way. Tritiya gatihi bhavati. 3rd fate will ensue. So
the second line should have been in Karmani, right, rather than in Kartari, because we should refer to the money, the Vitta.
See, the Kavi is not worried about the money. He's worried about the person. So he went for the Dhanika. Dhanika here means the one with the money. Okay. Yaha Dhanikaha, one with Vitta or with Vittakahava, what I don't know how to construct. So Yaha Dhanikaha na dadati, Yaha Dhanikaha na cha bhunkte, tasya dhanikasya tritiya gatihi bhavati. That's what the Kavi is doing Ingita. He's not worried about Nasha of money, but you can take both directions. Okay. So he used yaha in Pullinga. You can always find, if you go to Amarakosha, some paryaya pada of vitta which is in Pullinga perhaps. Okay. Anyway, I need to still check whether it is vittam or vittaha. I remember it as vittam, so I'm thinking it's napumsaka. So maybe yaha we have to attach with some non-napumsaka, some Pullinga form of money. Okay. No problem. Agree? Do you agree, Mahodaya?
Mahodaya.
I was trying to take cues from you. Whenever I take cues from you, you go in the opposite direction.
Mahodaya, actually, this speaks about the money going to the sun.
Money going to waste, and also it will be the nasha of the moneyed fellow, because he is not utilizing the money. He is not able to make it useful for himself. Then he will get destroyed. Anybody who is a slave of money will get destroyed.
Money won't go waste. It is like that Purandaradatta's Kriti. What is kept is for others. The money will be used by whoever is left. If he doesn't use, he will be dead. And he will be used.
True. Okay. All right.
There is a song in Kannada also, sir. ಗುಟ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳುವೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪರರಿಗೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು
ಪರರಿಗೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪರರಿಗೆ. What it means to the non-Kannadigas is that money which has been kept hidden is for others, not for you. Very good. Very nice. That song is very appropriate. Yes. Okay. All right. So sandhi, all lots of visarga sandhi we saw. Bogah nashaha, bogo nashaha, nashaha tisraha, nashas tisraha, tisraha gatayah, tisro gatayah, gatayah bhavanti, gatayo bhavanti. These kind of forms. Okay. Yaha na, yo na, gatihi bhavati, gatir bhavati. So almost all types of this is an example subhashita for visarga sandhi. Exclusive. So the utva, the sattva, the repha form of visarga, everything is seen here. Lopa is not seen. So if it somehow carried one visarga lopa also in its stomach, then it will become an excellent example for visarga sandhi. It doesn't have visarga lopa. You will study visarga sandhi in the 4th or 5th lesson somewhere. Okay. So Tatparyam, there are 3 ways of spending money: charity, enjoyment, and loss. Okay. A person who neither gives charity nor enjoys will lose his money. Here, of course, they have given a very lame, he will lose his money. But I can say a person who neither gives charity nor enjoys will be destroyed. Is a better reading for me. Okay. Vittasya danam bogah nashah iti tisrah gatayah bhavanti. So they didn't put iti, they put a hyphen which almost is like a iti. Okay. Cha can be added because there is a triple list. Okay. There are 3 courses to money charity. Yaha nadadati nabungte tasya tritiya gatihi bhavati. So the anvaya is pretty much there in these 2 sentences. Okay. Not too much struggle here. Okay. All right. So here you can add akanksha paddhati, kriya padam bhavanti. Okay. Ke bhavanti. Gatayah bhavanti. Like that, one by one. Kasya gatayah bhavanti. Vittasya gatayah bhavanti. Kidrishah gatihi. Something like that. Okay, one by one. Or kidrishaha gatayah. You can ask in one stroke and say kidrishaha gatayah va kidrishi kidrishyah, something like that. Kidrishyah gatayah strilinga. Okay, then danam boga nasha chaiti tisrah gatayah. In one way we can go. So you can stack it as 3 repeated kidrishi. Okay, kidrishi gatihi, punah kidrishi gatihi, punah kidrishi gatihi, like that. Okay, we'll move forward. Vyasananantaram saukhyam swalpamapyadikam bhavet kashaya rasamasadhya swadvati vambu vindate. I didn't read it very well. Let me try again. Vyasananantaram saukhyam swalpamapyadikam.
Sir, it is kashaya, sir.
It is kashaya, but in Sanskritam it is kashaya rasam. Okay. व्यसनानन्तरं सौख्यं स्वल्पमप्यधिकं भवेत् काषाय रसमासाद्य स्वाद्वतीवाम्बुविन्दते. Okay. Vyasana anantaram, vyasananantaram, that is a samastapada though. There is an internal sandhi in the samastapada. Vyasanayaha anantaram, vyasanananantaram is the vigraha vakya for that. Okay. All right. So, saukhyam, swalpam api adhikam, swalpam yapyadhikam. So, swalpam api is a simple samyoga, samyuktakshara. Swalpam halanta makara, akara, makara and akara collide to form a makara, full makara without any halanta. So, swalpam api is a samyojana. Then, swalpam api adhikam, ikara and akara collide, so yen sandhi ensues. Apyadhikam bhavet. Okay, swalpam api adhikam bhavet is the breakdown. Yes, sir. Any question?
Sir, this is kashaya refers to liquid, whereas kashaya refers to a color. Kashaya vastra is where saints and others wear. Kashaya is a liquid.
See, in Sanskritam, you don't use local language tadbhava tatsama to conclude on Sanskritam words. Okay. Kashaya, kashaya rasam is kashayat kritam kashaya rasam. Kashaya is a growth on kashaya. From kashaya, the rasa made. Kashaya rasam. Dasharatah dhasharatihi. That kind of growth. Okay. Why Rama's name is not Dasharatihi, Dasharatihi? There is a prakriya involved in making Dasharatha into Dasharatihi. Okay. So that kind of prakriya may have been involved here. And number one. Number two.
Dictionary says like that, sir. Yes, sir. I made it.
Thank you. Thanks for checking. Okay. So let us now just try to understand.
Sir, here you have vyasananantaram. So it is not two words, vyasan plus anantaram.
It is vyasana plus anantaram, but that is a samasta combination. Okay. You cannot just break it. Vyasana is like a pratipadika. You cannot break it away and call it a pada. There is no allowance for you. When you make padavibhaga, you cannot break down the samasa into its pratipadikas and show. You can hyphenate if you want. You can put this and put in brackets the hyphen version. Vyasana hyphen anantaram.
They are showing us sandhi on the next page. So how can you have the same thing on the one hand saying it is samasa?
They are starting to show you some sandhis, but they didn't do padavibhaga. Bhagini.
So the biggest question is in the exam.
Bhagini, you can skip this. You can skip this. Don't worry. Okay. You can skip this.
So my biggest question is, how do you know sometimes it's a samasa and you don't have to break it, and sometimes
you will know because vyasana is not a word, usable word. You have to make it vyasanaya, vyasanena, something like that. Okay. Vyasanaha. Athva vyasana, it may be strilinga pada. Okay, so it will take some time to get into that climb. Okay, Sanskrit challenges us about those things because it has a prakriti pratyaya process. To know the pratipadikas and the dhatus will take some time of maturity to start recognizing them. Okay. But if you see, definitely in Padavibhaga they did not show. Okay. But they did show the sandhi breaks for the padas. Swalpam api adhikam. There are three words, three genuine subanta or tigantas they can break. Vyasana is not a subanta, not a tinganta. It is a pratipadika. Okay, that's why they only listed under sandhi. They just climbed us a little bit upstairs to show some sandhi breaks for samasas. You don't have to do it in the exam. Okay. In fact, next level when you do, you have to do the sandhi break, you have to show the vigraha vakya. Vyasanayah anantaram, something like that. Okay. All right, let's take the meaning. Vyasananantaram means after a certain difficulty, after a certain grief. Okay, after a certain grief. Anantaram. There is no Nantara word in Sanskritam. Kannada and other languages have a Tadbhava, which is a incorrect form of Sanskritam word called Nantara. Only Anantara, which is also used in Kannada, is present in Sanskritam. Anantara, or actually it is derived from Sanskritam in Kannada. So Anantara is the word. There is no Nantara. Okay. An plus antara. Antara is the root word. An is a negation of antara. Okay. Anantara means without any interval. Anantara. It has two meanings: sequentially following or afterwards, one after the other. So Vyasananantaram, after a grief. See the engineering of these words. Okay. Saukhyam, a certain.
Sir, Vyasana doesn't it mean bad habit?
That is one of the interpretations of Vyasana. Okay. A misery has been title given to a bad habit because they are related closely. Bad habits leads to misery. Okay. Yeah. So Saukhyam, a certain contentedness. Okay. Swalpam, little bit. Api, even a little bit. Adhikam, a lot it will become. Bhavet, it may become. So after a lot of difficulty, even a touch of pleasure will feel like a lot. That's what they're saying. Okay, in the first sentence. Okay. So that's what is the meaning. After going through miseries, even a small joy seems big. Correct translation. Okay. Kashaya rasam asadya. After taking this astringent liquid, asadya means to take in, okay, into the body, so, or obtain. So after taking in a kashaya rasa, swadvativambu vindate. Swadvati, swaduštavati, swadvati, swadu ativa, swadu. So swadu is taste, good taste. Okay. Swadu ativa ambu vindate. So a good taste, a lot of good taste, a water is felt. Okay. So you know that after taking some astringent aushadhi or something, if you take a little bit of water in the mouth, the water will taste sweet. Okay, so it will taste a lot of very sweet. So that's what is the example given here. Okay.
अमलकी यदा वयं खादामः तदनन्तरं जलं पिबामः चेत् तत् जलम् अपि बहु माधुर्यं भवति. More applicable to amalaki.
अमलकी अपि काषायवस्तुः, काषायस्वादिष्टवस्तुः. तु काषायस्वादः यस्मिन् अस्ति तस्य स्वीकारेण तत्समये किञ्चित् व्यसनानुभवः भवति अस्मासु. परन्तु तदनन्तरं यदि जलं वा किमपि वा किञ्चित् स्वीकुर्मः तत्र स्वादिष्टम् इति भासते. तत् उपमा वाक्यं द्वितीयं, प्रथमं लौकिकवाक्यं. लोके यथा भवति व्यसनानन्तरं तथा उपमा यथा लोके अपि. Just like you take some kind of an astringent liquid and you will get actually better taste after that. Start with bitter but get to better. Life also is like that. It has bitterness but it will have its betterness. When the little happiness comes, you will feel very good. That's what is trying to, the Kavi is trying to give. So Amalaki, Amla is this one. Okay. Gooseberry. What a name in English.
Mahodaya, one question here. The word Vyasananantaram, it's a Samastapada as you said. So in that Anantaram that you're saying is the second half, which is indeclinable. Does it make the entire Samastapadam Vyasananantaram as indeclinable then?
See, Antaram is a Visheshana. Antaraha, Antara, all those forms are there. I don't know why you conclude it's an indeclinable.
That is because of the spoken Sanskrit dictionary, nothing else. Mahodaya.
It's a spoken Sanskrit now, has very low trustability. What I do know, it is okay for a quick referral for the linga, etc. I usually go to Kosha, kosha.something.com is there. Kosha, if you search a Kosha,
Yes.
it is
Yes.
it's a conglomerate of many standard good quality dictionaries like Apte and others. Okay.
Right.
So
Kosha Sanskrit today.
done by KST. So that portal is a little flaky. The portal goes up and comes down because I don't think they have the right money to maintain it well. People are trying to inquire how to support them to make it a good website. All of us who have climbed above some spoken Sanskrit use that Kosha website.
Thank you, Mahodaya. I will check.
Yeah.
Mahodaya, one doubt that Vyasana Anantaram, can it be split into Vyasanat Anantaram?
Vyasanayaha. I think it is a strilingam, Vyasana iti. As far as Vyasanam, I don't know whether it's Vyasanam or Vyasana. I need to check. Okay.
Vyasanam Napunsakalingam, Mahodaya.
Vyasanam. So, tarhi Vyasanasya Anantaram. Vyasanat Anantaram. Both are possible. Okay. Vyasanat Anantaram is also possible. Panchami or Shashti Tatpurusha. Both are possible.
Anantaram must have come as Vyasana Anantaram.
Correct.
It is V plus us plus lyut pratyayam.
That is, there is actually, it has its own upasarga also. Correct.
Yes, that
so
is producing
dhatuva, as dhatuva.
As dhatu plus V upasarga.
But as dhatu in the as, there are a couple of variant as dhatus. We have to check which artha it gets.
Okay. It is the regular as.
Asubhuvi is there and as something else is there. We have to check the dhatus. Okay.
Okay, Mahodaya.
Anyway, interesting. Okay. So all right, guys. So those of you who are getting what is all this discussion taking place, don't get too flustered. Okay. Some of the people here are trying to climb a little bit beyond what the book contains, and nothing wrong in that. So but don't get flustered that you are not able to climb into all those explanations. Okay. So Vyasananantaram, after experiencing sorrow, swalpamapi saukyam, even a little small joy, adhikam bhavet, seems big. Just as yatha, that there is no upama vachaka shabda yatha here, but okay, yatha, that's why it's in bracket. Kashaya rasam asadya, kashaya rasam asadya, kashaya rasam is one word and asadya. After tasting astringent flavor, ambu ativa swadu vindate, they have reordered nicely. Water feels very sweet. Here for both bhavet, vindate, the tatparyata is taken, not their literal meaning. That's what they have gone to the English with a little deviant thing. Okay. So
Ambu api swadam bhavate. Ambu api should have been more
is there an api that has been there is no api in the thing, so they didn't bother. Yeah. In fact, ambu api na ambu eva ativa swadu vindate. If you take something else, it may not feel sweet. Okay. Astu. So Kavya Katha. Let us get started. We have a few minutes. I will take with your privilege till 12:40 or so. So let's start. So as usual, I will take Ravi Shankar Varya. You have your hand up. You have a question, sir?
Sorry, Mahodaya, I failed to put my hand on.
No problem. You keep your yourself unmuted. You're going to lead us to this Kavya Katha.
Oh, lovely. Thank you. Let me just get ready. Okay, Mahodaya, shall I read it?
Please.
Right. Kavya Katha, Mantra Lochanam. Yada Narada Munihi Dwarka Nagarat Nivruttavan Tadaiva Indraprastha Nagarat Yudhishthiraha Anyam Sandesham Sri Krishnaya Preshitavan.
Pause there. So Kavya Katha, we know what it means. A story from a Kavya, Mahakavya. Mantra Lochanam. So mantri is the name that comes for a person who does mantralochanam with the king. What is mantralochanam? What is mantra here? Mantra means some kind of manthana, some kind of justified, dharmic, thoughtful thinking is called mantralochanam. Okay, alochana, mantralochana. So some solution is found to some problem. So that kind of talking is mantralochana. Okay, all right. So yada, when Narada Muni, the Muni with the name Narada, Dwaraka Nagarat, from the Nagara called Dwaraka, Nivruttavan, he left. We had seen in the first lesson what discussion he had with Sri Krishna, right? So Nivruttavan, when he left, Tada eva, Tadaiva, Vriddhi. Tada eva, there is a dirgha akara. You have to reverse it. Sometimes when you reverse the vriddhi to know to go to the dirgha akara, it takes some time. So it seems like tadeva or something. No, tada eva. So the sandhi is after the dakara. Tada eva, tadaiva. That time only, at that time only. See, that's what they have given here. Tada eva. Indraprastha Nagarat, from the Indraprastha Nagara. So from the Nagara called Indraprastha, Yudhishthira, the king Yudhishthira, Anyam Sandesham, another message as a Karmapada, Sri Krishnaya Preshitavan, for the sake of Sri Krishna, he sent. Sri Krishnam Preshitavan, Sri Krishnaya Preshitavan, Vikarmaka, but here they have used Sri Krishnaya Preshitavan. Okay. So he sent it to Sri Krishna. Continue, sir.
Right. Yudhishthirah Rajasuya Yagam Kartum Sankalpam Kritavan Asit.
Oh, Saha Yudhishthirah, that Yudhishthira. Rajasuya Yagam. A yaga as a karmapada with the name Rajasuya. Rajasuya iti Yagam. Kartum, in order to do. Sankalpam, resolved. Kritavan Asit. He had done the resolution, taken the resolution in the past. Continue, sir.
Right. Yagasya madhye vigno bhavati iti dharmarajah bhitah asit.
Tasya yagasya yad yagam saha kartum ichukah asit sankalpam svikritvan asit tad yagasya samastapad tad yagasya madhye. Okay, vignaha bhavati. So in the middle of such a yaga, a trouble may ensue. Vigno, vignaha, visarga sandhi, utva. Bhavati iti, it may happen. So this is a quote. Dharmarajaha, Yudhishthiraha, paryaya pada for Dharma Yudhishthira, bhitaha asit. He was a kta qualifier to Dharmaraja. So bhitaha, a fellow who was afraid. Asit, he was. Okay. Continue, sir.
Ataha saha Sri Krishnam ahutavan.
Therefore, he, Sri Krishna as a karmapada, he invited. Okay.
Right. Sri Krishna chintitavan. Ekatra deva karyam, anyatra bandhu karyam.
One minute, hold on, because it's fairly long quote. So actually they never ended the quote. There is a little editing error. Karomi iti so here the quote ends roughly. Okay. So Sri Krishna chintitavan. So Sri Krishna thought. What he thought? Ekatra deva karyam. One place. See, ekatra is atra tatra is avyaya, but saptamyartha avyaya. So it is having a locative connotation. At one place there is devakarya, like a yaga. Okay. Anyatra bandhu karyam. Another place I have a work related to bandhu. See, Shishupala, whose death Narada had sought, saying that is the reason why you took avatara, in case as you were born in a limited life like a manava, you may have somehow forgotten what was the reason for your avatara. Here I have come directly from Vishnu. Though Vishnu gave avatara, he remained also in Vaikuntha. He is having that kind of ability where he can duplicate himself at earth and be remaining in Vaikuntha. So Narada had come, right? Actually, Indra had sent, not Vishnu. But anyway, so Bandhu Karya here actually is that Bandhu is Shishupala Vadha Karya. Weird. Anyway, Kim Karomi, what shall I do? Iti. So Karomi, that's where the quote ends. Iti Sandehaha Lopa, Visarga Lopa. Sandehaha Utpannaha. In the presence of a Swara, Akshara, Visarga Lopa ensues. Okay. U is a Swara Akshara, so Visarga Lopa. Sandeha Utpannaha. Okay. A doubt was generated in Krishna's mind. Continue, sir.
Right. Samasyam parihartum saha mantralocanam kartum nischitavan.
So in order to resolve, solve, parihartum, solve. Okay. Dhatu actually is to steal, but pariharana means to actually take away some trouble. Okay. So that is solution. So samasyam parihartum, the puzzle to resolve, saha, that is Krishna, mantralochanam, that's what is the title. Okay. So to do the discussion of a proper dharmic solution with his mantris, mantralochanam kartum, in order to do that mantralochana, nischitavan, he determined. Continue, sir.
Jnana vriddha uddavaha agrajo balaramascha agatavantau.
You see, agrajo balaramascha ityatra vyanjana bakarah asti kila vyanjanam. To swaraha na tat tarhi atra agraja balaramascha iti na karaniyam. Agrajo iti utvam kartum shakyate athava agrajaha ityeva sthapitum shakyate. Vayam janimah kavayah na यदि संधि कार्यम अस्ति तर्हि सामान्यतया ते कुर्वन्ति एव तत्र. तो अग्रजो बलरामश्च. तो ज्ञानवृद्धः ज्ञानेन वृद्धः by knowledge he is superior and elder. उद्धवः
अत्र विसर्गलोपः किं न अभवत् ज्ञानवृद्धः उद्धवः इति
ज्ञानवृद्ध उद्धवः इति भवितुं शक्यते.
ज्ञानवृद्धो उद्धवः
न उकारः अस्ति किल लोपः शक्यः ओकारः न शक्यते. ज्ञानवृद्धो उद्धवः इति न शक्यते. ज्ञानवृद्ध उद्धवः इति शक्यते इति न कृतं. किमपि स्यात् अत्र अन्ततो गत्वा एतानि वाक्यानि न तु साक्षात् कवेः वाक्यानि. एतानि संस्कृतभारतीजनाः सरलीकृत्य किमपि लिखितवन्तः. तत्र कविः किमपि श्लोकेषु उक्तवान् आसीत्, तस्य तात्पर्यम् अत्र कथारूपेण स्थापितवन्तः. स्यात् नाम अत्र ज्ञानवृद्ध उद्धवः इति स्यात्. परन्तु यदा विसर्गलोपस्य प्रसक्तिः आयाति तर्हि तत्र सूक्ष्मतया पश्यामः किमपि अन्यत् कारणमस्ति वा, अद्य लोपः न भवेत् इति किमपि अन्यत् निषेधः अस्ति वा इति ज्ञास्यामः. तत्र विवरणम् अस्ति चेत् अस्मिन् स्तरे तादृशगहनरीत्या सन्धिकार्याणां पाठाः न भवन्ति. प्रधानसूत्रः निषेधसूत्रः एवं कृत्वा न कुर्वन्ति. परन्तु पश्यामः. मम मनसि एवं यथा भवता चिन्तितं ज्ञानवृद्ध इति लोपं कर्तुं शक्यः. अस्तु.
Sir, they have not followed Sandhi rules across the Kavya Katha. They have only used in some place. Like previous sentence, Ataha Saha Shri Krishnam Ahurvan. There also Saha Lopa they have not done.
Correct. Yeah, correct. Everywhere they have not done it willy-nilly. Yes, correct. Yeah. So that also is a possibility. But Mahadeva's question is, can I do? So I told, let's wait for the Visarga Sandhi rule. Check that yes, you can or not, you can't. Yeah. So Balaramascha, Balaramahacha. So Jnana Vruddha, Jnanena Vruddha. By knowledge, one who was elder, such a person whose name was Uddhava, that fellow, Agrajaha Balaramahacha, and the elder to Krishna. So Agrajaha Balaramahacha, the brother of Krishna, that is Balarama, who is actual genetic son of Yashoda. Okay. Agatavantau, they came. Okay. So Krishna, as you know, is Devaki's son. Balarama is Yashoda's son, but they are like Yashoda is the mother for both. So, yeah. Trayo, continue, sir.
Okay. Trayo militva mantralocanam akurvan.
So here they have done the Utva. Trayaha militva, the three having met. Mantralocanam akurvan. They did the mantralocana kriya. They did the thinking.
Sri Krishna Narada Maharshihi Devendrasya Sandesham Grihitva Agatavan.
So Sri Krishna is saying directly to his Mantralochana friends, Uddhava and Balarama. Hey Uddhava, hey Balarama, Narada Maharshihi. So Narada Munihi was there, now they have a Maharshihi. This is the way to teach, na? Just give different epithets and so that we keep learning. Devendrasya, Indrasya, earlier Indra was there, now Devendra is there. Sandesham Grihitva, message having taken in his hand. Agatavan, his hand in sense in his mind. Agatavan, he came. So he's explaining the history of Narada's arrival. Continue, sir.
Yeah. Dushta Sishupalasya Vadaha Karaniyaha iti Suchitavan.
So he, Narada Suchitavan here. Okay. Narada has to be carried forward. Okay. Or Narada Maharshi.
Narada Suchitavan.
Suchitavan. Okay. No, but you don't have to read, but we have to, when we read the sentences, we have to infer that Narada. Okay. So Narada Kim Suchitavan Dushta Shishupalasya Dushta Bandhoho Shishupalasya Vadaha Karaniyaha iti Suchitavan. So the bad Shishupala's killing should be done. So he indicated his life should be terminated. Continue, sir.
Mahodaya, I have a query here. Can I?
Please, madam.
Here, why is Prathama Vibhakti used instead of Dvitiya? Dvitiya Vibhakti eva uchitam khalu. Dushta Shishupalasya vadham karaniyam iti suchitavan.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that sound?
Kavyasya namam eva vadham mati.
Krishnena Maya. Okay. Maya. Krishna is saying Maya. Dushta Shishupalasya vadaha karaniyaha. What is wrong?
Vada instead of vadaha, it would have been vadam.
Maya vadaha karaniyaha. Maya vrikshaha drashtavyaha. Maya
it's not about
pustakam
Mahodaya, whether
pataniyam.
it is vadaha or vadam, is it Napusakalinga or Pumlinga? This word. That
Vadaha is there, karaniyaha is there, pullinga. It is not karaniya.
I got it.
It is not karaniyam.
Dhanyavada.
Continue reading, Mahodaya.
Yes. Yudhishthiro Yagaya Mam Ahutavan.
Yudhishthiraha Yagaya Mam Ahutavan. So Mam mean karma. So Yudhishthira, for the sake of Yaga, so me he has invited. He has become a fellow who has invited. If you want to go literal, continue, sir.
Tasya Vignabhayam Asti. Evam Karyadvayam Sampraptam.
Tasya Vignabhayam Asti. His fear exists about difficulties or contradictions or troubles. Vigna is some kind of a stopper. So he is afraid of some kind of a showstopper. Okay. Evam karyadvayam sampraptam. So now, just now Narada said you have to do this. Now Yudhishthira asking this. 2 works have come to me. He has to give some work to his Balarama and also he's asking them. That's all I can think of. Continue, sir.
Right. Dharmarajasya anujaha veeraha surascha.
See, Dharmaraja has appealed to me, but that fellow's brothers themselves, Anujaha, Veeraha, Shuraha, his brothers are all, younger brothers are all, they are with lot of valor and strength. So,
Tasmat Dharmarajaha Tesham Sahayena Yagam Karoti.
He will do the yaga properly, I know. There will, in any Vigna, he will be able to take care. The brothers will take care. with his brothers. With their help, he can do the yaga. I mean, karoti here, when Krishna says there for us, for our sake, they have made it lat. Karishyati would have been more proper. Continue.
Sishupalastu dushto dine dine vardhate.
Shishupalaha tu dushtaha dine dine vardate saha. So there is a double sentence actually. Okay, dushtaha shishupalaha. Take dushtaha as a visheshana there. Dushtaha shishupalaha tu dine dine vardate. Vardate atmane. Okay.
Right.
So and also it is a akarmaka. Akarmaka atmanepadi dhatu. Vruddha. So Shishupalaha, Dushtaha Shishupalaha tu dine dine vardate. Day by day he is growing. Actually, his Dushtatana is growing is also implied, but Dushtaha Shishupalaha vardate, that means he is increasing his troublemaking like enormously, like that.
Nitikaraha vadanti. Vyadihi vardamanaha. Vyadihi vardamanaha shatruhu cha nopekshaniyo iti.
Nitikaraha vadanti. So those who create Niti Shastra, Kautilya was not yet there, but obviously Kautilya himself says, it's not my invention, I am only collating all what other Nitikaras have told. They are all lost to us, unfortunately. A lot of kritis are lost. Anyway, so Nitikaraha vadanti, Nitikaras say, Vyadihi vardamanaha shatruhu cha nopekshaniyo, na upekshaniyo. Vyadihi, some kind of roga. Vardamanaha shatruhu. Vardamanaha can be applied to Vyadihi also. You can take it as a guna for both. Vardamana Vyadihi, Vardamanaha shatruhu. So the roga that is refusing to die down, that is growing, and the enemy who is refusing to be quiet, one who is valor, false valor is increasing. Na upekshaniyo, those two are not to be ignored. Upeksha means to not care. So na upekshaniyo, they have not care. Double negation.
Has to be taken care of.
Correct. Continue, sir.
Ayam mama abhiprayaha.
This ayam is a differential. Etat. Yeshaha. Yeshaha mama abhiprayaha. Ayam mama abhiprayaha. Adas dhat. Adas pratipadika. Rarely it is used. Kavis like adas more than etad dhatu. Tad dhatu. Okay. So they take the adas dhatu and form its variants. You will find it in older kritis a lot. Now today for simplification we use tad and etad, which is sahataute forms, but this is more used by kavis. So this is my opinion. So he is seeding the mantralochanam. Okay, let us see. Continue.
Atra yukta vicharya kathayantu iti uktava.
Actually, okay, he is allowing them to give their opinion. In fact, they will turn his opinion. You'll see. So I don't have to go. I should go and kill Shishupala and not bother to go to Yudhishthira is my conclusion. Okay, but you yukta ayuktam. So there is a one with nai and one without nai. Yuktam ayuktam yukta yuktam. Yuktam cha ayuktam cha yukta yuktam. So that means what is proper and what is improper. Both of those vicharya, having inquired into both options, kathayantu, you tell me what you think. Okay, vicharam kathayantu, bhavantaha bhavad vivachane astu. Kathayantu iti suchitavan, atra dvau eva staha prayaha anye mantrinah api santi iti chintayetu. Arthat अत्र द्विवचनं वक्तव्यमासीत् कृष्णेन. अत्र कथायाम् अथवा संस्कृतभारतीजनाः अत्र द्वौ एव स्तः. अत्रापि आगतवन्तौ इति अस्ति किल. अत्र कथयतु कथयतः इति अस्ति. कथयतः कथयन्तु. सो कथयतः इति स्यात् तत्र. अस्तु. तो कथा तु ज्ञातं. तो प्रश्नान् उत्तरयित्वा विरामं स्वीकुर्मः. भोजनाय निर्गमिष्यामः वयं. युधिष्ठिरः किं कर्तुं सङ्कल्पितवान् आसीत्? राजसूययागं कर्तुं सङ्कल्पितवान् आसीत्. राजसूययागं कर्तुम् अथवा राजसूयम् also can be told, but राजसूययागं कर्तुं सङ्कल्पितवान् आसीत्. धर्मराजस्य भीतिः का?
यागस्य विघ्नो भवति
विघ्नो भवति अथवा विघ्नः भवति इति. अस्तु वा? भग्न इत्यपि वक्तुं शक्नुमः. विघ्न इत्येव स्यात्. तत्र यदि विघ्नः सक्सेस्फुल् भवति तर्हि भग्न सञ्जायते. अस्तु, यागस्य विघ्नः भवति अथवा विघ्नो भवति इति धर्मराजस्य भीतिः स्त्रीलिङ्गे आसीत्. मन्त्रालोचनार्थं लोचनाय लोचनार्थं कौ आगतौ. इजी. I should actually, when I ask this question, I should take out this. But anyway, so very easy. Jnanavruddhah Uddhavah Agrajah Balaramah cha agatavantau, or Vruddhavah Balaramah cha agatavantau. Enough. Okay. You don't need to put the Visheshanas, but it will be nice. Mantra lochanartham Uddhavah Balaramah cha agatavantau. Agatavantau, both are okay. देवेन्द्रः किं सूचितवान्? शिशुपालस्य वधः करणीयः इति सूचितवान्. अत्र अस्ति किल, दुष्टशिशुपालस्य वधः करणीयः इति देवेन्द्रः नारदमुनिना सूचितवान् आसीत्. नारदमुनिना श्रीकृष्णं सूचितवान् आसीत् देवेन्द्रः. देवेन्द्रः दुष्टशिशुपालस्य वधः करणीयः इति सूचितवान् नारदमुखेन. गौ न उपेक्षणीयौ. करेक्ट. व्याधिः वर्धमानः शत्रुः च न उपेक्षणीयौ. वेरी गुड. ओके, सो you guys are ready with all this, so we will start the afternoon. We will have a quick 1 hour session continuing the Anvaya Rachana studies and so on so forth. Okay, so Geeta Varye, is there a question? Geeta Varye? No. Okay, maybe you had put the hand up for reading. Next time we will take your help. So thank you Varya for reading for us. So well done. Have a nice bhojanam and we'll meet in the afternoon. Okay.
Thanks.
I'll stop the recording and
Thank you,
end
sir.
the meeting. We'll meet again.